Hello everyone, so let's complete today's challenge. So first read the challenge. Create an Apex class that returns both contacts and lead based on a parameter. So we had to create a contact and lead. The Apex class must be called. This is the name of the Apex class, and we have to create a method inside the class of public static type, and the method must accept an incoming string as parameter. The method should then find any contact or lead whose first or last name match the string. The method should finally use a return type of list as object. Because SOSL indexes data for searching, you must create a contact record and lead record before checking this challenge. Both records must have the last name Smith. So one thing to note is that we had to create one contact record and lead record which has the last name Smith. So first we had to create this, then after this we will write the Apex code in our developer console. So let's create it. First launch your playground. Mm, Go to contacts, then create new contact. Select Mr. First name. We have to take care about the last name. Then the last name must be Smith. First name can be anything, or you can leave it blank, then save. So our contact is created. Now we have to create a lead. Click new to create new lead and type. You can type any random first name, but the last name must be Smith. Company, you can type any company name, like I type Trailhead. We click save. So our contact and lead head has been created. So now it's time to write code. Then go to developer console and then search here contact and lead. Search copy the name of the class, then go to file, select new Apex class and copy paste the class name which you had copied. So now our class has been created. Now it's time to create a method. So copy the name of the method, and you have to take care the method must accept string, and the method should finally use a return type list as object. So let's create it. So I had created this method. Now it's time to write SOSL query which searches the required result. So let's write it. So I had write this SOSL query contact lead list which find the last name in our contact and lead which we had created earlier in this part, and the last at last we had to return the SOSL result. So first save it. Then go to test and run all. So it is giving success. Now it's time to check the challenge. So this error is due to I had choose different playground and I am doing the things in different playground. So I selected the right playground in which I had implemented this functionality. So it is giving the lead and contact field with the last name Smith were not found. Please add these records for this challenge. But we had already added this. So let's find it. What is the problem? So it is giving error. Let's create the new contact. I'm not getting the point why it is giving error. So let's create this another time. Mr. Smith. So contact has been created. Now it's time to create lead. This time I skip the first name and save. So our lead and contact both are created. Now it's time to save it again. Now run all. Now let's check. So why it is giving error? Sometimes this error is due to not refreshing the page. Sometimes Salesforce take time to refresh the things. So after refreshing, try to check the challenge. So after refreshing, your challenge will be completed.